Ever thought about powerful Android hacking apps? Today we're talking about apps that every ethical hacker or tech enthusiast should know about. These aren't just your everyday apps. They're specialized tools designed to give you an edge in the digital world. Think of these apps as tools, right? Tools that can help you understand the intricacies of cybersecurity, network analysis, and more. Like a chef needs their knives, we're exploring the digital equivalents. Just as a chef's knives are essential for creating culinary masterpieces, these apps are crucial for anyone serious about ethical hacking. But before we jump in, huge disclaimer. These apps are for educational and ethical hacking purposes only. It's important to use them responsibly and within the boundaries of the law. Using them for anything illegal is a big no-no, and I don't condone that at all. Ethical hacking is about improving security and understanding vulnerabilities, not exploiting them. If you're ready to explore the fascinating world of ethical hacking and see how these apps can be used for good, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Oh, and crank up that dark background music. You know we gotta set the vibe. The right music can really enhance the experience, making it more immersive and engaging. So, get comfortable, grab your favorite device, and let's embark on this journey together. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. We'll cover a range of apps, from network scanners to password managers, and everything in between. Each app has its unique features and benefits, and I'll guide you through how to use them effectively. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of which apps can help you in your ethical hacking endeavors and how to integrate them into your toolkit. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and discover the top Android apps every ethical hacker should know about. Stay tuned, and let's make this an exciting and informative journey. First up, we're talking Termux. This app is a beast. Imagine having the power of a Linux terminal right on your Android phone. That's Termux. It's a terminal emulator, which basically means you can run commands and scripts just like you would on a full-blown computer. Want to manage files, install software packages, or even run entire servers from your phone? Termux can handle it. It's like having a portable hacking lab in your pocket. And the beauty of it is, it's incredibly versatile. You can customize it with different packages, themes, and even use it with external keyboards and monitors for a more desktop-like experience. Whether you're a seasoned Linux pro or just starting out, Termux is an essential tool for any ethical hacker. It's a game changer for mobile penetration testing, security analysis, and just plain geeking out on your Android device. Getting started with Termux is simple. Just head over to the Google Play Store, download the app, and you're ready to dive into the world of mobile command line operations. Once installed, you can start by configuring the app to suit your needs. Install basic packages like Python, Git, or even Node.js to expand its functionality. Termux is perfect for coding on the go. Write and run scripts in various programming languages, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Need to access remote servers? Termux supports SSH, allowing you to securely connect to your servers and manage them from anywhere. You can also use Termux for text editing. Whether you're editing configuration files or writing code, Termux has you covered with powerful text editors like Vim and Nano. Package management is a breeze with Termux. Use the built-in package manager to install, update, and remove packages with ease. For network analysis, Termux offers a range of tools that can help you monitor and analyze network traffic, making it an invaluable tool for network administrators and security professionals. Automation is another area where Termux shines. Set up cron jobs to automate repetitive tasks, ensuring your workflows are efficient and streamlined. Termux is also a fantastic learning tool. Follow tutorials, experiment with commands, and deepen your understanding of Linux and command line operations. And don't forget the community. Share your setup, discuss tips and tricks, and engage with other Termux users on social media and forums. Whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or out in the great outdoors, Termux brings the power of a Linux terminal to your fingertips, wherever you are. So, if you're looking to transform your Android device into a powerful command center, give Termux a try. You won't be disappointed. Happy hacking. Now, let's talk about AndroRAT. This one's a bit more, shall we say, sensitive. AndroRAT stands for Android Remote Administration Tool. And as the name suggests, it allows you to remotely control Android devices. I know what you're thinking. Sounds kind of sketchy, right? And it definitely can be if it falls into the wrong hands. That's why it's crucial to emphasize the ethical hacking aspect here. AndroRAT can be used for legitimate purposes like remote tech support or even parental control, but it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. Think of it like a powerful tool. It can be used for good or bad. It's all about how you wield it. Next up is zANTI, a mobile penetration testing toolkit that's like having a security audit lab in your pocket. This app is a favorite among security professionals and ethical hackers because it lets you simulate real-world attacks on networks. Imagine you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, maybe at a coffee shop or a library. zANTI can scan that network, identify connected devices, and even test for vulnerabilities. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, allowing you to see potential weaknesses and security flaws. And the best part is, it's all about learning and improving security, not exploiting it. So if you're serious about ethical hacking and network security, zANTI is definitely an app you need to check out. Chapter 4, Hackode, your all-in-one hacking toolkit. Let's talk Hackode, an app that's like a Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers. Imagine having a single tool that can perform multiple functions, all from the convenience of your smartphone. It packs a bunch of tools into one sleek package, making it a versatile option for various security tasks. Whether you're conducting penetration testing, gathering information, or scanning networks, Hackode has something for every need. We're talking reconnaissance, scanning, security feeds. Hackode's got you covered. The reconnaissance tools allow you to gather crucial information about your target, while the scanning tools help you identify vulnerabilities in networks. It's like having a mini security command center right on your phone. You can monitor security feeds, analyze data, and even manage your security tasks on the go. One of the cool things about Hackode is its simplicity. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech expert to navigate through its features. It's designed to be user-friendly, even if you're not a tech whiz. The app guides you through each step, making it accessible for beginners and professionals alike. But don't let that fool you. It's still a powerful tool that can uncover a lot of information. From detailed security reports to real-time data analysis, Hackode provides you with the insights you need to stay ahead. So if you're looking for an all-in-one hacking toolkit that's both powerful and easy to use, Hackode is definitely worth checking out. It's a must-have for anyone serious about cybersecurity, offering a comprehensive suite of tools that can handle a wide range of tasks. With Hackode, you can perform tasks like DNS lookup, IP location tracking, and even exploit search, all from the palm of your hand. It's like carrying a full-fledged hacking lab in your pocket. The app also allows for customization, so you can tailor it to fit your specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or just starting out, Hackode offers the flexibility to grow with your skills. Ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals will find Hackode to be an invaluable resource. It streamlines the process of identifying and addressing security threats, making your job easier and more efficient. In a world where cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important, having a reliable toolkit like Hackode can make all the difference. It bridges the gap between traditional hacking tools and modern technology, providing a seamless experience. Plus, with real-time alerts and notifications, you can stay updated on the latest security threats and take immediate action. Hackode ensures that you're always one step ahead in the game of cybersecurity, so why wait? Download Hackode today and transform your smartphone into a powerful hacking toolkit. Your journey to mastering cybersecurity starts here. Chapter 5, cSploit, network analysis on steroids. Now, for the more advanced users, we have cSploit. This app is a beast when it comes to network analysis and penetration testing. It's like zANTI's older, more powerful sibling. cSploit gives you granular control over network traffic, allowing you to sniff out data, identify vulnerabilities, and even perform sophisticated attacks. Ethically, of course. It's a complex tool, so it's not for beginners. But if you're serious about network security and have some technical chops, cSploit can be an incredibly valuable asset. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely and ethically. Chapter 6. DroidSheep, unmasking the web traffic around you. Ever wonder how secure your web browsing is, especially on public Wi-Fi? DroidSheep might give you some insights, though it might make you a bit more cautious. This app focuses on intercepting web session profiles over a network. In simpler terms, it can capture login credentials and other sensitive data if the connection isn't properly secured. Now, before you panic, this is where the ethical hacking part comes in. DroidSheep is a tool to demonstrate vulnerabilities, to show you firsthand how easily data can be compromised if you're not careful. It highlights the importance of using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being mindful of the networks you connect to. Chapter 7, Nmap, Mapping the Digital Landscape. Finally, let's talk about Nmap, a classic tool in the world of cybersecurity. Nmap stands for Network Mapper, and it's essentially a way to create a map of a network. Imagine you're a digital explorer charting unknown territory. That's what Nmap lets you do. It scans networks to discover connected devices, open ports, and even the operating systems running on those devices. This information is invaluable for ethical hackers and security professionals because it helps them understand the structure and potential weaknesses of a network. While the traditional Nmap is a command line tool, there's an Android version that brings this powerful functionality to your mobile device. So there you have it, guys. 7 powerful Android apps that every ethical hacker should know about. From terminal emulators to network scanners, these tools can open up a whole new world of possibilities for exploring the digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to Ministry of Hacking for more awesome content like this. Stay tuned for more videos on ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and all things tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, and keep those firewalls strong.